So in this video, let's consider two unique methods of solving this nice exponential equation. We're asked to solve for x in 81 to the power of x equal to x to the power of 18. We're going to use the laws of indices in solving and also the laws of logarithms. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share it with friends and colleagues, and remember to subscribe to my channel for more unique maths content. Now we're going to start first using the laws of indices. From the use of the laws of indices, we are going to multiply both sides first with the power of 1 divided by x. That way we can be able to clear x from the left hand side. If we do that, we will have this to become 81 to the power of x multiplying 1 divided by x, and this will be equal to x to the power of 18 multiplying 1 divided by x. Now, considering the laws of indices, we'll have a to the power of x multiplying y. This can be equal to a to the power of x multiplying y, and it can still be equal to a to the power of y multiplying the power of x. Whichever way it goes, this can give us this. So from that principle, we can see that the index can multiply. So we'll have 81 multiplying the power of x multiplying 1 divided by x, and this can be equal to x to the power of 18 multiplying 1 divided by x. From this expression, x will definitely clear out s, and then we'll have that expression to now give us 81 equal to this expression can now give us x to the power of 1 divided by x. We can take it this way, all to the power of 18. We have not changed anything. So what do? The next time we are going to multiply both sides by the power of 1 divided by 18. That way we're going to clear 18, a power of 18 from the right hand side. So to multiply both sides by the power of 1 divided by 18, we'll have this to become 81 multiplying the power of 1 divided by 18, and this will be equal to, this will now give us x to the power of 1 divided by x multiplying the power of 1 divided by 18 multiplying 18, right? So on this part we can find out that 18 will clear off 18, and that will give us 1. So from that expression we'll have the whole expression to now give us 81 to the power of 1 divided by 18, and this will be equal to x to the power of 1 divided by x. Great. Now, having gotten to this point, we can simplify further. Remember from that expression that 81 can be equal to 9 to the power of 2, right? So we can have this to become 9 to the power of 2 multiplying 1 divided by 18, and this can be equal to x to the power of 1 divided by x, right? Now, considering the laws of indices, this expression will now give us 9 to the power of x, or 2 multiplying 1 divided by 18, and this will be equal to x to the power of 1 divided by x. From this expression, 2 here can give us 1. 2 into 18 is going to give us what? 9. So that expression is now going to give us 9 to the power of 1 divided by 9 equal to x to the power of 1 divided by x. Great. Now can you see that the base is equal to is same, they are all looking alike. When we compare the base and the index, we can see that the value of our x will be equal to 9, and that is the result of that expression given to us up here. Now this is using the laws of indices. Now let's solve this same expression using the law of logarithm. Remember, we're given 81 to the power of x, that's the expression. We're given 81 to the power of x equal to x to the power of 18. Now if we take the log of both sides, we want to take use logarithm, that expression will now give us the log of 81 to the power of x equal to the log of x to the power of 18. According to the law of logarithm, if I have the log of b base a, this can be equal to b log of what? Log of a. So from that expression, we can see that this expression will multiply, and then we'll have x log of 81, and this can be equal to 18 log of x. Great. Now if we want to do one unique thing, I can divide both sides by 18x. If I divide both sides by 18x, if I divide here by 18x, here we can find out that x will have to clear off s, and here 18 will have to clear off 18. And what do I have? I'll have the result to now give me the log of 81 divided by 18 equal to the log of x divided by x. Great. So what do I do here? I want to recall one given law of logarithm. I'm going to simplify this. If I simplify this, I'll have this expression to give me log of 9 to the power of 2, right? And this can give me divided by 2 multiplied by 9 is 18, and this can be equal to the log of x divided by x, right? So considering those two expressions, law of logarithm, I can have this to become 2 log of 9 divided by 2 multiplied by 9, and this can be equal to the log of x divided by x. From this expression, 2 can always clear off 2, and then I'll have that expression to now give me the log of 9 divided by 9 equal to the log of x divided by x. So if we compare these two expressions, we can see that log of x can be equal to log of x, and then x can be equal to 9. So if we compare these two expressions, we can see that the value of our x can still give us what? 9, and 9 becomes the solution to this expression given to us up here. So you see, using the laws of indices and using the laws of logarithm, we can find the solution to that expression given to us up here. I know you did enjoy watching this maths content. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with friends and colleagues, and remember to subscribe to my channel for more simplified maths content. Thanks so much for watching, and bye bye for now.